Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. This is the Wednesday, April 14th edition of our Carolina weather video here. And we do have some weather changes taking place this morning. A cooler air mass temporarily moving in. And it's been a little bit breezy. I know when I came into work this morning, you could really see the results of the breeziness out there. A lot of things blowing around in the roadways in terms of some trash and leaves and whatnot. And it certainly was a much breezier start to our day than what we have been seeing recently. In fact, let me show you this shot from the Avalon Pier Cam there on the Outer Banks. And this is a still camera, obviously, but you notice, or still shot rather, but you notice the American flag really howling there in the wind right off the ocean. The sea fairly churned up. You can tell those northeasterly winds kind of cranking around the region this morning. As expected, not a lot of rain with this front. There were a couple showers that grazed through the northern part of the Triad viewing area, and at the time I'm cutting this video, a little after 5 a.m., some showers in the northeastern part of the state over in the parts of the Outer Banks. The chances for those showers, though, rapidly coming to an end. I also want to show you, you look up in the upper left part of your screen, that's where you see some showers and even a few thunderstorms in the Plain States. That's with a cold front that will actually move through here Saturday. You can kind of pick up the next several days of air masses on this temperature map. Today is going to be a cooler day. We're in this cooler air today. Then we get into the warmer air tomorrow and Friday. And then we're into some cooler air again as we get into the upcoming weekend. So today we'll be in the 60s for highs. A considerable amount of cloud cover that will try to gradually erode away with time, especially in the southern and western parts of the Carolinas. And again, it'll be a gradually eroding sky in terms of clouds. Now tomorrow, full sun. Beautiful day. Sunshine. We'll be in the 70s again for highs tomorrow. Friday, still the warmest day of this week. We'll be in the low to mid-80s for highs on Friday afternoon as that next cold front continues to steadily advance our way. And then on Saturday, the front moves through. And it does look like there'll be a few showers, maybe a couple rumbles of thunder as well as that front moves through the region during the day Saturday. I still think the overall chance of rain in any one location is not that great. But it is worth mentioning that there's a chance of a few showers or even a thunderstorm or two Saturday. And then a cooler air mass moves in. Sunday, we'll be back to sunshine, but we might see some spots staying in the 60s for highs Sunday despite that sun. Monday, sunshine, close to 70 or so for a high, it appears, maybe low 70s in some spots. Tuesday, up into the 70s with sunshine, so quiet weather settles in again and a lot of sunshine as we get into the weekend and the first part of next week. And there still are some indications as we get toward the latter stages of April, last 10 days roughly, last 8 or 10 days, that we'll see more in the way of storm systems move through than what we've seen for the bulk of this month. So, you know, this quiet pattern can't last forever. We're going to get back into more storm systems eventually. It's just a matter of nailing down when that will occur. All right, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful Wednesday, and God bless.